created the character and it was you. It's been raining and I had a business to do. To sing till the morning before the will come with so boring all through. So I've been closing my eyes, making the image of you. You're standing in my door in the white cat. The water is flooding from your dark head to the end. It's too late for trying to make a character back out. Your thin fingers are laying on the bottom of my door. What should I do with you? What should I do now? You can't tell me so you will stay in my house. You had a white door and this was only one. Guy who's created the character and it was you. My love's like a railway station, the trash on the floor. It's the memory of those who's been waiting for the trains. But you have no place to go by train and drink wine, there we go. How cruel from my side was to create you. Yes, I knew that love is the playing with fire. But how to live with a fire? It's raining outside. You will enter the door of the house of mine. You'll stay here and live only with the one who created you.